And I just kept at it. And then finally I had perfected that for like 5-6 years. I said, what the heck am I going to do? Because I had a landscape company. We had a pool service company.
Yeah.
You know, I had a lot of different businesses. And I said, I'm just going to rebrand it, and it's going to be Nature Pest. And we're going to be focused on the eco-friendliness aspect of what we do, because I was really passionate about solving people's problem without having to contaminate it.
Mhm.
And you know, my aha moment was when I asked a question to myself. I said, if you had to treat a hospital surgical room, how would you treat it? Because that's a sensitive environment. And I started doing the research. So for me, it's really about, you know, solving people's problems, protecting, you know, the having a holistic approach where we're really protecting their home, their pets, their plants, you know, the environment.
Right.
And we're trying to do what's right by everybody. And that's been our approach. And that's what kind of drives me to have this approach, because we are doing something that's really different than what everybody else is trying to sell.
Mhm.